But I redid it like 4 times because I thought I did it wrong, but I didn't. And I kept pushing it out because my fingers are so freaking big. So how you guys like this background music? Only heard it about like 50 times, right? It's soothing though. It's like building noise, like kind of. I don't know. That's just what I feel. So it sounds like to me. So I'm like, what the hell? Are you serious? Like, this is like an annoying project. You're like a giant project. You're like, oh my god, are you kidding me? Like, I really have to do this. But I think I got it in and I like accidentally pulled it out. So I had to do it again. But I finally get it. And yeah. Takes forever. Okay, I think I got everything plugged in. And man, oh man, that's the worst part. It varies for every computer. You have to look at every individual pin. Sometimes they're like tiny, tiny pins. But I think I did it pretty well. And let's hope it works out well. And one thing is these zip ties they put on the wires to make them look tight when the case comes, the Phantom. You have to end up cutting them anyway, because you need the cables to be just slightly longer. And, that's the problem I had. Just a FYI there, I'm talking about the cables in the back that come pre-tied, not the ones it comes with. This is a really great case. Okay, well my phone stopped recording without telling me or anything, so I just put in the last final wires for the input-output cables here, and power buttons, reset, etc. I hooked up the fans. Here, let me turn the light on. So I hooked up the fan controller, got the fans on the side panel working, got the fan on top working, and pretty much all that's left to do is the moment of truth, plugging it in. So honestly, this is 650 watts, so I gotta make sure my surge protector can handle that first, and then I'll try plugging it in. So yeah, be right back. Okay guys, here's moment of truth. It's 11 o'clock. I've been working on this for since about, I don't know, a while. So since about 6, I think, or yeah. So let's see if we can get this working. Okay. Got a little dust on the side. Make sure the switch is flipped in the back here. Should be on I think. We'll see. Should I take the side panel off? Yeah, I think that'd be awesome. That's nice and spring-loaded, so don't have to unplug anything. Hey, I unplugged itself. That's nice. It's good because I forget. Okay, here's components. Ready? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Did I turn it on? Okay, what the fuck's going on? Spinning for a second. Seriously, what the fuck? Okay. Let's turn it off. What the hell? Okay. Second try. Second time's charm. Ready? Shit. I wonder what's wrong. It could likely be something like my surge protector isn't handling all the power or something. Okay. Let's check. Let's turn this off. We are getting... Here, do you guys see the green symbol over there? It's staying green. So that's always good. Alright, I'm going to troubleshoot this a little bit. Be right back. Hey guys. So, I took the whole processor apart, everything. I took it all apart. And then I realized I am plugging the processor. Yeah. Apparently there's another cable for processor right over there. See it? It's 8-pin connector. Yeah, I didn't plug that in. So now that I got that, I tested it. I know it's gonna boot to the BIOS. Don't know much more though. So let's plug in the monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, and let's see how it works. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's hit power and hope this PC shoots through there. Okay? You got my monitor on right here. Got it all hooked up. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoops. The power. Oh wait, is it? Oh, I guess it is. So. Oh shit. You gotta be kidding me. Turns on all the way, and turns back off. Goes to stage 6 of power. Great. It's fucking great. Holy shit. This is gonna be a long night. Damn it. Okay, it's working, it's working. No, it's not. What the fuck? Hey guys, got it up. Problem was, dead stick of RAM. That's it. Tried like 10 different combinations. One finally worked. Now it's up and running. Got the awesome LED fan. And yeah. So, I'm going to run through the BIOS and then install OS, but this video is done. So I'll put a reflection or tips and tricks after this video. So stay tuned. Hey guys, it's PC Master 160 here, and this is the last video, conclusion of my building my computer series. So if you liked it, darn, it's over. If you didn't, it's over. I mean, I didn't think it was that great, but it wasn't terrible either. So here's my computer. I have whole setup going here. Got my monitor, got my layup keyboard with screen on it, got my mouse, and got Logitech G35 headset. So here's the inside of my computer, the guts and everything. So when I was building it, it's my first time, so I'm gonna like say what I did wrong and stuff. Here, I'll give you guys a view of me. So when I was building it, I think what I could have done first is, instead of putting everything on the motherboard outside of the box, here, I'll just go on the computer. I should have put it in the computer first because the screws were so hard to put it in and everything. Like once everything was on there. And I think it just would be easier to do it that way, but I don't know, whatever. Doesn't really matter that much. So if you notice over there, I have one stick of RAM in there. What happened was, actually as you guys saw in the last part, that one stick was dead. I've RMA'd it twice right now, and I'm waiting for it to come back for a second time. So hopefully they will have it fixed this time, but you never know. Alright, my processor right now I have it overclocked to 4.5 gigahertz, which is absolutely amazing. Everything's really fast. And with, as you see here, you got 2 hard drives. I actually bought another hard drive, a 1.5 terabyte one, for apps, and I have completely used that up, which sucks, but I'll compress it and then it'll work again. And also, as you saw, I don't know, actually I might have cut it out. My CD drive was broken. I bought a new CD drive that actually works. And yeah. Also with this motherboard, I absolutely hate it. Don't ever buy it. Like, oh my god, it's such a terrible motherboard, because just MSI makes bad motherboards. Buy like EVGA or Asus or something better. And oh, with the Phantom, something cool I found out. See over, no you can't see it, whatever. On the top left of the inside of the case, over here, if you can see my hand, there you go. Right here. Oh, ow. Over here, there's a power cable that, a place where you can put in the power cable. Like, I noticed that, and that's kind of nice. So you don't have to put power cable over the RAM and everything. And yeah, that's about it. So after watching the conclusion video that I recorded, I just wanted to add a few things that I didn't exactly cover before. One, I just said in general the motherboard sucks. And why it sucks is because the BIOS, 1, it's terrible. 2, it's not compatible with like any RAM. And 3, the voltage, like I don't know if you guys know from overclocking, but you need a constant voltage. And it changes like a lot with difference between load and idle. Also, you can't offset overclock. It's just really bad BIOS. Also, I wanted to add that actually today, just like an hour ago, I got an email from the RAM people, Patriot, that made my RAM. And you know how I'm RMAing a stick of RAM? Well, they emailed me saying that I need to send in both sticks, which basically would mean that I can't use my computer for at least 3 weeks. So I'm gonna see. I basically like emailed them back like the polite version of like, fuck no, there's no way in hell I'm doing that. But we'll see how it goes. I mean, this is the second time I've done it. The first time worked fine with half a stick. So we'll see on that. I really hope not to get my computer down for like almost a month. I mean, that would suck for you guys and suck for me. I mean, I have my crappy laptop, but that's about it. So, yep. So stay tuned for the next commentary. It's coming soon. And, yeah. So, see you guys in about a day. I'll upload my first gameplay. Saying what the channel is going to feature and everything about that.